So why do you use the Pugmax browser?
See, I am into news about the gadgets, and I'm constantly on the search for some facts about gadgets. Now I type. No, sorry, just a minute. Okay. See, my dad has a Panasonic P51 smartphone, and see, the moment I type Panasonic P51, it goes to the Google search. But I'm not just satisfied with these things. I need some article similar to it. So if I swipe the left side of the screen, there is an explore button there, and you can see all the news pertaining to Panasonic P51. So it's pretty cool. You get to see all sorts of news in just one browser. And see, here it is benchmarks and can the company succeed with smartphones reviews. It is like integrated search engine with supported articles. So I type fact like, okay, so I'll type Samsung. Okay, so this is the Google search uh, pertaining to Samsung. Okay, so now see, this is the Pugmarks app. So I now swipe the screen right side. This is Pugmarks articles pertaining to Samsung. See, Samsung India to launch 200 products in 2013. Samsung launching its own mini stores inside Best Buy. Why do Samsung employees think of Apple design? What makes Samsung such an innovative company? And blah 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 pertaining to Samsung. And this is Pugmarks Explore. You can see it, Pugmarks Explore. So I clicked on the article which says Panasonic's president eyes revamp of troubled electronics giant. So this is this is the article related to it. Then again you swipe it, Pugmark articles related to Panasonic. Recommendations. See the smartphones Panasonic launch in India. So that's pretty much of the explore thing. Then this we have here history, whatever I searched right now. Can this I searched it a bit while.
So would you use this instead of using some other app or a browser? What is it?
Yeah, this is whole sort of a different thing from other browsers. It's quick, very responsive, and the user interface is superb, really smooth. And even the articles you can see what you get what you need, rather than search is very convenient in this thing.
So if you are not using this, what would you be using?
Like I said, this is very convenient. It would have taken me more time. I must type precisely what I am looking for.
So would
How
you
to
use it
rotate.
more to uh, when you start using it? Are you mostly searching from the start, or do you want to just go read a
No,
news
I
site?
no,
What is
I'll
it?
search it from the start.
But you will start with a search query,
Yeah,
is it?
search query. And see, this is I have logged in. I am a Pugmarks. I have an account in Pugmarks. See, these are all the articles which I may be interested in. So it's very accurate. It understands your mind. It's like your best friend who knows every bit of your mentality, everything, what you're interested in, what you don't. So
So
see,
have you tried reading your news through this?
yeah, I've tried it. I look into it quite often.
What kind of sites do you normally visit?
I like gadgets2.com or Wikipedia, sites which have information news, which I like.
Can you just try reading your favorite gadget site through?
Okay, see now I opened Nokia sold 8.8 million Lumia phones in Q3. So this is based on the search history of mine. Okay, so Nokia sold. So this is not from Google. This is the article which Pugmarks it put on my home screen. So here Nokia. So everything. See, even you get Nokia Asha. No.
So can you visit your favorite news site?
Okay. I look into. Okay, iGyan. So this is iGyan is a uh, technology destination app. They have videos even in YouTube. They re- review all sorts of phones.
Sony.
Yeah, I like go through the article which I want, and if I'm still interested, I need to know more about the apps. Then I use the this thing recommendations of Pugma.
Okay.
And now I'm using iGyan. Suddenly it flashes to me that I want to see what is in Panasonic review about iGyan. So I go to the history thing here. See, this red shows the clock thing. If you click it, it is a history button. See, you have all what you have searched. I go to this. So now it says Panasonic President Eyes. Simultaneously, I can jump to the article, and if I want iGyan back, I can press this. Goes to see iGyan reviews. So it's very interactive, user friendly. Interface is absolutely smooth.
So have you been able to convince anyone to start using this?
Yeah, I've convinced a lot of my friends, colleagues, and even my parents have it. Even they love this a lot. So this is for the guys who are geeks in technology or who want a lot of news.
So what is the best way to describe this product? Is it to say, is it a smart browser? Do you think we should say it's a
I
reading
guess
companion?
This is too smart, like superb thing. This is absolute genius. Like see, this thing knows me, my mind better than all my colleagues, friends, everything pertaining to the news what I'm interested in. See here. So this is basically like my best buddy, my companion, everything. You can call it what you want.